In this video, I'm going to show you how to add location in KoboToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open your project and your form, and then in here, you want to click on the plus button to actually add questions. So when you click on add questions, there's three different location questions you can use. The first one is point. The second one here I'm going to add and demonstrate is a line, and then the third one here is going to be the area. So whenever you put all of these in here, of course you can select whichever one you want to add. There's some settings as well, you can play around with this, but I'm just going to show you kind of the default. So if I go and click on preview form, you can see it's going to show me all of these preview questions. The first one is record your current location. So you can just click over here and it's going to record your current location. The second one is going to record a line. So if I just click on here and then for example here, it's going to record a line just like this. You can then customize it, stuff like that. And then down here you have the record an area option, okay? You could also record an area over here. So if you want to click on different specific points, as you can see, it's going to say how large your area is, and you can adjust it, and you can of course kind of add the location that way. Click on close polygon and you're good to go. So those are the ways to actually add location. Now let me demonstrate this while somebody's actually completing this survey. I'm going to save this and I'm going to go back over here and I'm actually going to deploy this. There we go. And I'm going to click on open. So when I open this, it's going to look like this to anybody doing it, okay? So right now here, it's still not updated. Let me actually go ahead and refresh this to update. There we go. As you can see here, the first one is it's going to record their current location. So whenever they click, it's going to pop up their location. Then over here, they can record a line. So just like this, as you can see, I can do like maybe a line over here like this, and it's going to do exactly that. And then here, you can also click on this button to see streets, terrain, satellite, or humanitarian, okay? It's up to you. They can also type in altitude and accuracy as well, or search for place or address. And then in here, they can also go and record an area just like I showed you, but this time it's actually showing the map. It's not just blank. Now, that's essentially how to do this. Then I can submit. And if they submit, there we go, it's going to say login required because I didn't turn that off. Let me actually do that right now so I can show you how to then analyze the location data. So over here, I'm actually gonna click on this again. Then I'm going to make some random polygon over here and then click submit. And it's going to submit just like this. So if I now go inside here, inside data, after some time on your map, it's going to basically show you everything over here after the geopoint responses are going to be recorded. And here inside table, you can also see, of course, recording lines, recording area, stuff like that. Everything is going to be collected in here and you'll be able to view it directly from your table results. So that's how to add location. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.